Hey guys, welcome to the Santhiya Hotel here in Thailand. This hotel is amazing. I'll be giving you guys a little mini tour and yeah, it's awesome. So let's get this video started. So first things first, you walk in, we have the washroom on our left. In here, we have toilet, this little area, nothing crazy, tissue, blah, blah, blah. And over here, we have a nice little spray thing for your butt. So once you take pee or whatever, you can spray. I don't use it personally, but they left that stuff here. Over here is our sink area. We have complimentary waters. I put one in the fridge. In this nice thing here, we have soap, shampoo, all that good stuff. Sink, light, decors. And here we have these beautifully formed rags, which I think is pretty cool. We have towels on this lather thing holder. We took a shower, so the second towel is in here. This is a shower, pretty big shower. Over here, we got a nice little table with the shampoo, hand soap, conditioner, all that good stuff. Now we enter the living area. But before that, we have our umbrellas and laundry and all that good stuff. Over here, we have the closet. We actually have two of these closets, one here, one on the other side. Robe, like the beautiful robe I'm wearing. This one is for Colin. We have a safe, storage, and some bed slippers. So now you guys, we're in the living space, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. I must say this place, when it comes to decor, it's top notch. We got the lounge area over here. We got the beautiful bed over here. Woo! And we have all these stuff that they gave us for events and food and whatever, everything that's happening on the resort, which is pretty awesome. Over here we got the TV area, full mirror, which is my favorite. And in here we got a nice fridge with beer and non-alcoholic beverages and stuff. And that, however, is not complimentary, but yeah. Look at this decor, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. TV, obviously. We got a nice mirror over here, a nice little makeup mirror. This is just like a dining area. And so guys, I know I am a little bit dark now, but we're heading into the light. This is absolutely gorgeous. Are you ready, my people? Look at this. Look at this balcony. Talk about balcony goals. Over here we have the lounge chair. We got a nice table for food and cocktail or whatever else. Maybe even a little action. The nicest freaking tub ever. I'm definitely having a cold tub tonight. Not a hot tub, a cold tub tonight, you guys. That's going to be lit. So guys, the best, my favorite of the whole place is the amazing view. Check it out. The best view I have ever had in any hotel, Airbnb resort. It's gorgeous. It's like a dream. This place is literally like a dream. I am going to get out of this hot ass robe and I'm going to go to the pool and I'm going to enjoy my life. But that's the little mini tour for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about this resort, leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you. I will drop the name of this resort in the description box, sorry. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, love you lovelies.